Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon S3 using IAM roles, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into Amazon S3 using IAM roles, ensure you have the necessary permissions set up. First, access the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service. In the IAM dashboard, select the Roles option from the sidebar. Click on the Create Role button to initiate a new role. Choose the AWS Service option and select EC2 for the type of trusted entity. Proceed to the Permissions page. Attach the Amazon's 3 full access policy to grant S3 access. Continue to the Tags page. Adding tags is optional. Review the role settings and provide a meaningful name for your role. Click on the Create Role button to finalize the process. Once the role is created, navigate to your EC2 instances. Select the instance to which you will attach the IAM role. In the Actions dropdown, choose Security and then Modify IAM role. Select the previously created IAM role from the list. Click on the Update IAM role button to apply the changes. Next, open the terminal or command prompt on your local machine. Ensure that you have the AWS CLI installed and configured. Run the command AWS configure to set up your user credentials. Enter your AWS access key, secret key, region, and output format. Now you are ready to access Amazon S3. Use the command AWS S3ls to list your S3 buckets and confirm access. If you see a list of buckets, you've successfully logged in using IAM roles. For further S3 operations, refer to the AWS documentation for commands and usage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.